Hi, my name is Ned Clark with Travel for Teens. Today, we're going to talk about the benefits of travel as it relates to college admissions. I've spoken with many parents and college officials and admissions officers about what are they looking for in terms of the benefits of travel when it comes to applications. And here's the answer. Does it benefit? Yes. Can it help your teen? Yes. So, how? When your teen does a trip and they come home and they've brought the lessons of what they've learned back to their communities, that shows the admissions officers that your teen changed on the trip and is then changing the community that they came home to. So if your teen did a community service program and then came home and showed more involvement in community service afterwards, that helps them. If your teen did a language program and their grades went up or they became more involved in the language clubs at their school, that helps them. If they travel and travel and travel and join a travel club, that helps them. Admissions officers are looking for growth, and growth is the result of a pattern of repeated behaviors. And so, can these trips help? Absolutely. But if your teen only does just one trip and doesn't bring any of those lessons home, no, it's not going to necessarily help them in terms of the college application process. If you have questions about which of our trips you think are going to be the best for your child and their development, give me a call anytime, and we look forward to speaking with you. Have a great day. Cheers.